Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Daily Bone Podcast, where we talk about all things crypto market. That includes the majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Memecoins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to talk about the hot crypto and macro markets absolutely cooking yesterday. We're going to talk about prediction market plays you can still make today, both political, non-political. We got all kinds of stuff coming today, especially with the rate cut decision this afternoon. And we're going to talk about the state of the Memecoin Trenches. I got barbecued yesterday afternoon on this new token. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about the ups, the downs, and where we're going from here after the election is cooked up. Welcome, Easy, Clemente. Great to have you guys on today. Clemente, how you feeling?
I feel good. I feel, how's my audio? I'm good. Coming in well.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, cool. No, I feel good. I went on a big run this morning, but my knees or my quads are like spasming right now. So, you know, just trying to keep it together, but feeling agile, man, like feeling dangerous right now. I woke up, I was like, dude, fucking bull market. I'm going to get in the swing of things. Doesn't matter what market it is. I'm still going to.
Dude, I played sand volleyball for the first time. I'm fucking sore.
How are your calves?
Yeah, your calves have to be torched.
Torched. Legs are torched. I played basketball the day before too.
So
like one bicep hurts. The legs are cooked. I was supposed to play basketball today. I'm like, I'm just in pain.
So Easy. How are your volleyball skills? You have some height, which helps.
I'm
how's
nice.
your hand-eye coordination? You're nice?
No, dude, I play video games. My hand-eye coordination's top tier.
I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah, 100%. It's fast twitch muscles, dude. Look, when I'm hitting a quick scope, I'm like, pew, but it's the same thing. It's like, pew.
Do you have any footage? I would love to see a video of you playing volleyball.
No, I'll get some footage next time. Maybe if you come this weekend, we'll play.
I'm hella down.
Hella get active. There's a lot of pickleball here. I've been playing pickleball. There's a lot of volleyball. There's a lot of physical activities. We'll get in the gym. I got a gym membership that's 10 minutes away. It's great. It's got a full basketball court, a lap pool.
Damn, dude. So Sarasota is just full on. Just you're loving it.
Yeah, you know, I'm old, man. I'm old.
What are you doing right now? What's going on over there? Are you dipping
Clemente's currently fingering a smoothie. He's not drinking it. He's currently injecting 2 fingers up and down in a very sexual manner and then licking his fingers. For those on video watching this, I'm sorry. Normally he charges $9.99 a month for this content, and you're getting it for free.
That's not what's happening. So what happens?
That's literally what's happening.
No. So okay, now you guys got the comments on your side. This is bullshit. No, what happens is this smoothie, the Ninja Bullet, only has a certain amount that you can fill it up to. I always overfill it and then put my protein powder on top. So what happens is the thing, like the protein powder gets kind of stuck on top, as you can see, in this paste-like substance. So that's what I was doing. I was getting
just take the paste-like substance to the face as opposed to just like not doing that. There has to be an alternative there.
Yeah, I mean, this is not ideal, I will say. Yeah.
Oh man. Well, we got a jam-packed show today. Easy, you want to crush this weather report? We don't see too many easy weather reports, but let's get one in here and let's do a little domination.
Domination. That's much like Clemente was doing to that smoothie. It's time to dive right into the weather report. It's been an electric couple of days recently. And today, looking over the crypto roundup, ETH has outperformed the majors and gained 7% on the day. We love to see it, with Bitcoin just under 75K, Ethereum's over 2,800, and Solana at 187. 2 coins are neck and neck. Speaking of neck, we just watched what Clemente does to his smoothie, leading to top 100 coins. ENA's token is up 21%, which is Athena, a L1 blockchain at $1.4 billion market cap after a fee switch was proposed. Raydium also up 20% on the day to a $1.2 billion market cap. Who could have possibly seen this coming? I've only been shouting from the high heaven since $1.20. We love to see it, almost a clean 4x. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin sets a new all-time high of $76,480, and the overall crypto market pumped as well, with $200 billion with a B added to the total crypto market cap. Next up, the Bitcoin ETFs went on an absolute giga cooker tear, as they call it here, with Bitcoin spot BTC ETF volume setting a new record day. $4.1 billion was traded yesterday, and the ETFs recorded $622 million of total net inflows. Finally, we saw some major exchanges listings, as Kraken listed Pepe for trading for U.S. clients, and MOG is listed on Binance for perps trading, and briefly broke above a $1 billion market cap for the first time. Back to you in the studio.
Excellent weather report as always. Ton of price movement yesterday. Everything seems to be running. Bags are up all over the place. Major meme coins, seeing all those listings. The stock market's up pretty good too. Like we're seeing the stock market absolutely cooking.
Robinhood, Tesla, Coinbase.
Coinbase gained 31% yesterday. MicroStrategy gained 13% yesterday. I'm kind of interested in thoughts there. Let me open up a little stock chart here, and I want to run this by Easy because I'm not too versed in stocks and price action. But looking at MicroStrategies versus Coinbase, I know Pio loves MicroStrategies, but looking at the two, like I feel that like MicroStrategy is at all-time highs and is a bet on essentially Bitcoin. But Coinbase like is nowhere near its like previous all-time highs on the last like bull cycle. Like, do we see Coinbase outperform MicroStrategy over the next year? I think
I like it. I like this a lot. But I'm not
Coinbase?
Yeah, I love Coinbase. Dude, they're doing everything right. Other than the only mistake they've made is that that NFT marketplace. Remember that one?
Yeah, I think they were just a beat late there. Like it was supposed to be the next big thing. Then people stopped caring about NFTs.
Do we know how much they made off base in terms of fees this last quarter?
I could probably bring that up.
I saw someone talking about it last quarter, Will Clemente, I believe. And he was talking about how basically Coinbase is absolutely printing with base, and he thought that the market hadn't priced that in yet. I'm assuming obviously this is running because of so basically is everything that got a Wells notice just absolutely fine now?
I think that's like what people's thoughts are.
That's the theory. Just because like if Gensler is gone, then the SEC Wells notice situational stuff is going to be, I don't want to say like adjusted, but it will be changed slightly. Like if they come in with a pro crypto candidate, then those Wells notices should be significantly more lenient.
Got it. Interesting.
So looking at the base cumulative fees here, they've brought in over $58 million in total revenue.
Mm-hmm.
And then $25 million in fees. Let's see that kind of hit a cliff this March, I believe. That's when the Denkun upgrade to Ethereum took place, which really cut down the cost of transaction fee.
Got it. Interesting.
I could be correct if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's why this flattened out afterwards. So they're cooking with fees, and they're going to continue to cook on as long as base is relevant. I'm just waiting for base to be relevant because I don't know of too many people in the crypto market who are just like regularly transacting on base. There's like flash in the pan stuff that like cooks, and then it kind of the whole ecosystem cools off. Like you get a friend tech. We had friend pet for a little bit. Couple other things I just are top of, like I can't remember right now, but we haven't seen like something that's pulling to people to base that's like a recurring basis, like getting people to stay on the chain, which is what I'd be looking for.
I saw also Mr. Miggles. I'm so pissed. I sold Mr. Miggles at 15 mil. It's now at 30 mil, just cooking on base. I mean, all memes are printing.
Sold it, and the anti-Clemente cabal all bought in, driving it up to 30 mil.
Dude,
I made a clean 2x when I saw the sell signal come in.
Dude, get out of here, bro. You lost. You literally shorted ETH, dog.
Yep, I lost 10 grand. But I'm up 700,000 after I saw you sell Miggles because it was the easiest 2x ever.
So, question so are plays like Uniswap interesting to you guys? Because
no, buy Raydium.
Okay. What about that fee switch thing that Uniswap was proposing back like 6 months ago?
I think Easy's thesis, and I think I agree, is just that Raydium is just a better play than Uniswap, even if Uniswap has fees. I mean, you're seeing more and more volume go to Solana. Solana dexes are outperforming Ethereum dexes at this point, and Raydium is the dex of choice, and that's where PumpFun is graduating to. So, like, even if Uniswap turns on fees, like Raydium just seems like a better play. And then, like, I would almost like anything you would want to put into Uniswap, just like put into a BullX account and trade on PumpFun because there's a PumpFun token coming. Like, as long as you don't rinse yourself like completely out of it, like you're going to be doing volume on PumpFun tokens and getting an allocation of.
So PumpFun is 100% doing a token. or an airdrop of sorts.
Yeah,
brother.
Something just came across my mind. Easy. Would you consider launching a PumpFun token on all of your active wallets if there is a PumpFun token coming out?
Interesting.
Just
I haven't.
garbage that's like do not buy, just to have the
activity
token. Yeah,
I haven't considered it. Maybe stay on the lookout. Which means if you're launching tickers, Nick is gonna print if they pay the devs. I mean, Nick's gonna make $100,000 the way this motherfucker's launching tickers.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I just had a thought. I was like, well, what would the requirements be for a PumpFun ticker? Or not a ticker, but a token launch, and like maybe devs get a share of that, which I think they would. And maybe it's like their tokens have had to graduate. Maybe that's something, but I think there's like basically no cost to launch a token. So why not just do that on your active wallets to get a potential turnaround? Just don't buy it. Like you can launch a token without buying anything.
Very interesting. I haven't really considered it.
Speaking of tokens and the trenches, I got rinsed yesterday. So we saw the big winner of the early morning / evening yesterday was SMR. I don't know if you saw this, but basically Dark Farms, who is the artist behind Boom, tweeted out yesterday strategic meme reserve with an image, and then people went bonkers on the token. So here's the image here. Build a strategic meme reserve. So about, I'd say like 8 or 9 of these tickers launched yesterday. 4 or 5 graduated.
Damn.
I got in every one that, every single one essentially that graduated, and lost money on each one, including this one. This one had a wicked dip here. I think I got in on this second.
You're sharing Twitter right now, Ray.
Oh, sorry. Thank you for that. So here is the winner. Essentially, this one's at 9 million market cap, but this one was so shady and sketchy. I didn't get into a couple candles. I waited maybe 15 minutes. 80%. It was just 80% in the top 10 holders when I bought in, and then it's
because it's that top guy. There's someone that holds 70% of the supply.
Up exactly $6.1 million worth of this token, essentially. So essentially, you can just dump for the liquidity pool at any point in time. But this was the one out of all of them that cooked, which was pretty much unbelievable. It's now down to a $9 million market cap. I saw a number of.
It got up to 32 mil.
Yeah, 32 mil.
What time did this launch last night?
It was around 7, but I think between 7 and 8 o'clock. So this tweet went out at 8 o'clock, 8:05. So just after 8, and then we saw all these launch. So absolutely wild. That
would you buy here, Ray? Would you buy this?
Absolutely.
Well, technically, this is the circulating. The market cap on this is technically, if we want to get technical, assuming this guy's not going to dump, it's 2.5 mil.
You're doing it wrong, I think.
No,
the FDV is what the current price is. The market cap's higher than this. You would divide it by 0.3.
What is this? This is.
Oh no, never mind. Never mind. You're right. You're right.
The FDV is 8 mil of this thing, but if one guy owns 70%, so the market cap is technically 2 mil or something like that.
Yeah, but why is this going to run? It's not backed by Dark Farms. Is my thing.
Interesting. I really like that little art thing he dropped. Can we quickly talk about the Tuah token?
Yeah, absolutely. I made a comment yesterday. It's her Memecoin portfolio is on point for a degen. She definitely has somebody in the space advising her, I'd say.
Yeah.
So she has a nice little Memecoin portfolio she shared, and then she shared a tweet with. Am I on the right page?
Whoa, what was that?
There we go.
Go back to the cowboy picture.
All right, let's go back to the cowboy picture for Clemente. All right, Clemente is now dipping his finger into the milk again, into it again. For anyone listening on Spaces, Clemente is dipping his fingers back into the protein shake while looking at a cowboy picture of Tuah.
All I'll say is, Tuah, I was unfamiliar with your game. Is this AI?
All right, anyway. Let's get back on track here, Clemente. Let's hold your horses a little bit. Get the pace right. All right, so Hawk Tuah Haley Welch, she posted on Twitter the Hawk list, essentially listing her meme coin portfolio, and at the top it says Hawk Tuah with, instead of a market cap, it says coming soon. So it leads to believe that there is going to be a token. I believe Zach XBT commented on this. We were warned. There was a post 6 days ago by Jing Tao, meme coin trader in the space. He said Hawk Tuah girl was going to do a coin. They assembled KOLs for it, but then it kind of fell apart. They wanted me on, supposedly. She's going to farm us. So Zach XBT commented that. I think she responded saying fake news, but appreciate you trying to protect the community with a little heart. So what do you think of a Hawk Tuah token? Would you be a buyer of this? Do you think this is like mother token potential, considering her embrace of the crypto space? Or do you think that she's somebody who's just like mass extract?
So she was going to launch one back when she first went viral, when she first got on Twitter. Correct me if I'm wrong. I heard that's
what Jing Tao was saying there. Yep.
Yeah, the word on the street was that she was going to launch one, and it was going to be pretty extractive. If she does launch one, it won't be like it'll be a pump fun unless actually maybe they can just all snipe it. But okay, let's do a little round table. If Hawk Tuah launches a token, what's the highest market cap it gets to on the first day?
75 mil.
I was going to say 50 mil. Easy?
First day, 100 million.
Dude, I would be a buyer of that thing. I would buy the
bro.
shit out of that token. I would buy that token. A Hawk Tuah token, that's fire. That's fire. Dude, she's got the Talk Tuah podcast. She received like
the number one podcast in the world.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
They're talking about very analytical stuff, like Blast. The only
So I have a quick note. I'm convinced dude, there's some shady shit going on with like the brain rot culture. It's a little like troubling. The Lunchables thing or the Lunch League thing launched by Mr. Beast, KSI, whatever, the Prime.
Dude, when I was last at your house, your entire fridge was just Lunch Leagues. So like, I'm very curious what you're about to say.
It all seems a little fishy to me. And then how they're like all of a sudden Talk to as like the top 3 podcasts in the world. Like, what are we doing, guys? Is this real?
I mean, have you listened to the Talk to a podcast?
I listened to her first episode, or she didn't.
I haven't missed an episode. When they drop notifications on, push notifications, it automatically plays. And the most interesting one was that with Neil deGrasse Tyson, where they debated interoperability across space, and the takes were extremely fascinating. Followed by the one that she did with Mark Cuban, where they discussed the democratic policies of the candidates in full.
She's gonna do it with Vitalik, I heard.
No, she's gonna have one with Pac-Man from Blur to discuss Blast, the only on-chain verifiable voting blockchain.
Do it with Vitalik or have him on his podcast, on our podcast. Two different things, because ETH price matters here.
Real quick. So, well, yeah, dude, I'm so ADD this morning. I'm just like all over the place right now. But I was thinking about this comment from just Stefano saying jail for Mr. Beast ASAP. I would take if Polymarket had or Kalshi or any prediction market had this for like, is Mr. Beast in jail by the end of 2025? That's an interesting bet.
We're in the Wild West now, though. That's the thing.
Like, so Mr.
Like, you can do anything you want. If you didn't watch yesterday's show, you can do whatever you want in the space right now.
Interesting.
I don't see any Mr. Beast related prediction markets except whether there'll be a Lunchly recall in 2024, which is at a 13% chance.
That was interesting.
But I do have some interesting prediction markets if we want to dive there.
Please.
So you can still take. All right, so we just finished the 2024 election. What do you think about the 2028 election? So we had
I'm not locking up any capital for 4 years.
Right, but you can still swing trade potentially.
True.
JD Vance, #1 for Republican nominees at 52%. Donald Trump Jr. at 8%. DeSantis at 5%. Looking over,
I would take DeSantis as a flyer.
Yeah, looking over at the Democratic side, it's like really bunched up at the top. Gavin Newsom and Shapiro both tied at 17%. Gretchen Whitmer at 16%.
Is Mark Cuban on there?
Yeah, 5%.
Yeah, I would take Mark Cuban.
I like a flyer of Mark Cuban at 5, and I think I like the no on Newsom and Shapiro, just taking like no on the favorites at 14%, 14% plus 5% yield. I don't know how much they go up and down, but I'm sure you could probably sell them at break even, just like somewhere to park capital potentially over the long term. More interesting though, and more timely, we're going to have the interest rate announcement this afternoon for November. It looks like we're all but certain going to see a 25 BPS cut. 98% currently on call sheet. So my thoughts are, if we watch the language and we watch the like what Powell says afterwards, I kind of want to make a play here on the 74% for cuts for the year. If he comes out and we're listening and he sounds like somewhat hesitant on like we made this cut, we're not sure we needed to, but we can always pause. Like I might consider taking 3 cuts here, which means that we wouldn't see a cut in December. If he comes out bullish, I would hammer 4 cuts, or sorry, more hawkish. I would hammer 4 cuts if it looks like they're going to continue to increase rates at 74%. Just hold that for a month, earn the yield on top of potentially 26. So that'd be a 30% gainer on this.
Man, I have no insight on this, but Easy, what do you think?
I think it's 4 cuts basically regardless.
So you would potentially just take 4 cuts right now, be done with it.
Yeah, just let it rock. I think 4 cuts is going to be inevitable.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Interesting. I might do that a little bit later. Elections still haven't resolved, so I'm still sitting on some election stuff. Sold off all my losing positions for pennies on the dollar, but everything else looks like it's just waiting for resolution. I don't know why didn't the AP already call the election?
Yeah.
So I don't know what's going on.
I thought, did they not?
I'm pretty sure they did. Like, I think they did it like 5:30 a.m. was when everyone called it yesterday.
Which was technically November 6th, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so that was cash.
Yeah, so just waiting for that to resolve. Then I might dump some into these interest rate markets. Still going to play some.
What's leading there? The 6th?
Yeah, what do you say? Yeah, 99%.
Yeah. So that's the one that I took. I had said I thought November 6th was like the clear winner on that. And I had shared it when it was like 40%, 35%.
Yeah, I
thought we'd
followed
get one day.
Yeah, I followed you. Thank you for that one.
That video actually crushed aside from Harris popular vote.
Yeah, that one was definitely surprising in terms of
that shocked a lot of people. I will say the Harris popular vote shocked a lot of people.
I mean, to be fair, we had our stream and I was saying, I don't know if you were on that one. I think it might have just been me, PO, and Kicks. But I was saying, yes, the Republicans haven't won the popular vote since 2000, but like it also like the only one time in the last like 7 or 8 elections had the winner also lost the popular vote. So I wasn't as sold there. I ended up getting convinced taking the Harris side there, but kind of kicking myself afterwards. Back over to meme coins. I was looking at the PumpFun stats, Easy, and I heard you talking about these a little bit today. I'm a little bit worried about the state of meme coins over the next month or so.
Same.
By hold on. By meme coins, are you talking about trenches or like
trenches? Established memes, I think, run. I think established meme coins run over the next month. I think it's like a flight to safety for where like ones that are 1 to 10 mil market cap is going to be your best trades.
I think I agree. I think even higher than that are going to be your best trades. I think that it's going to be like at least 5 mil, maybe 10 mil. I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's hard to predict, but I think we're going to see a lot less action on the lower market cap coins. We're going to see less launches. Looking at new users yesterday set a new all-time high, which is nice to see. But active users hit an all-time high yesterday, but new users continue to trend down. Launches on PumpFun continue to trend down. We did see a little bit of a local top on election day of 26K. I think we're still seeing some like post-election coins at 21K, but I think tokens launch is going to fall off a cliff here. And I think graduated tokens is going to fall off a cliff as well. So people aren't going to be getting that dopamine hit from the trenches. There's not going to be a continued supply of like new meme coins coming in. I mean, barring like new metas popping up, like who knows what's going to happen.
I agree, Ray. Here's what I will say though. trading meme coins, like trench trading, is so much fun to do, dude. It is like, I look at it as, when I trade, I don't look at it as like really trying to make money, because there's way better ways to make money. It's so fun though. Like trying to buy something and getting the dopamine hit, or trying to get the dopamine hit of buying something at 10K and then it migrates and you're up 7X or whatever. Like, dude, it is fun. It is really fun. You and I were doing it, for election night. I had an absolute blast doing it in like the Bodagos Discord. Is it profitable? No. Like, I would have been so I would have been so much better just taking the 15, 20 soul or whatever and plowing it into a bunch of different.
Glorp.
Yeah, dude. Like, so yeah, the thing I have trouble with as far as like these established meme coins is I don't really know, dude. Like, I faded Earl so hard at 10 mil and it's now at 20 mil. Like, and I posted.
By the
about
way, I
this.
gave that to the Bodagos, the Earl at 5 point. Let's see here, 5.3, 5.3.
Dude.
So this is going fun.
I had a mindset shift yesterday with Cabal coins. Historically, I've been very anti Cabal coins, but I briefly tweeted back and forth with D's, crypto trader, NFT trader. And he basically positioned Cabal coins as this. He said, Cabal coins, you need to think about it as you're buying into a token with rich holders. You want rich holders with conviction versus poor holders versus non-Cabal coins. So Earl, instead of it being a Cabal coin, it's really just a Cabal with people with millions of dollars. And these guys aren't going to sell for a measly 2x. So with that mindset shift, I'm like, all right, I'm all in on Cabals. So if you guys have a Cabal coin, let me know. I will buy all of them. There you go. Look at that. So yeah, D's helped me have a mindset shift with Cabal coins there. I'm now bullish on Earl. I think it's interesting. What did Peanut get to yesterday?
Peanut continued to cook, proving me wrong. I thought the squirrel was dead, but Peanut,
$130 million.
130 mil, new all-time highs for Peanut. That's a big winner. That was a big winner yesterday. Another big winner yesterday for established coins, like Easy was saying. We saw Loose on a Cookerino.
Loose Magoose.
Right after Clemente sold the bottom.
No, I saw like 35 mil. I bought Mog yesterday. $1,000 a Mog. So
that ticked over $1 billion. It had a pullback. I woke up with a notification on my phone that Mog went over $1 billion and was listed on Binance. And then I looked at my Mog holdings and I was like, it didn't go, it went down. But yeah, we ticked over $1 billion briefly. And then we dropped all the way to 750, like 25% pullback, which is pretty nuts there. Recovered a little bit since 828. Mog feels like a no-brainer in terms of like culture coins for this cycle on ETH. Like what ETH coin are you buying over Mog? Maybe Bitcoin, but I don't know like, what else you're buying over Mog this cycle in terms
literally
of
nothing.
Right?
Nothing. Like I'm not buying anything over Mog. It is the ETH coin.
What about Bitcoin?
That's up there too, but I still think Mog outpaces.
Dude, so, I love Bitcoin.
Bitcoin's at a third of the price right now.
I'm gonna buy some right now. It's at 250. Done.
Bitcoin or Mog?
Bitcoin. I bought Mog last night. About $1,000. It felt good.
Yeah. So I tweeted yesterday. I had some friends asking about majors, and I haven't had people asking me about that. Like this group hasn't asked me about that, like not even last cycle. So I thought that was pretty interesting. They asked me what I thought about Solana at these prices, and if it's too late to buy Bitcoin. So essentially, what I said was like, I think Solana is probably the best buy out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana if you're looking for like safety with upside. If you're just buying majors. And then Bitcoin, I said, well, I mean, obviously it would have been better to buy a year ago or even 6 months ago. if you're buying Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is just going to go up and to the right forever. So like, I don't think anybody who's bought Bitcoin in the past right now is regretting it, even if they bought at the all-time high. But I told them like, hey, if you're buying crypto and you're buying Bitcoin right now, you need to have like a 2+ year time frame. You're not going to be like looking at this every day, especially with these kind of investments. If you're doing something like that, you need to be getting into meme coins. So like they weren't quite on board with the meme coin stuff yet. And this is a group of like pretty heavy sports gamblers. So I think
Degenerates.
like, what'd you say?
They're degenerates.
Yeah, exactly. So I think the shift is like not quite there yet, but I'm beginning to see like some nibbles coming from the normies. I don't know, like Clemente, are your friends asking you about crypto right now? Like,
so I had a finance bro who I texted the night before. He's an investment banker. I texted him the night before the Bitcoin ETF went live. I was like, and he's historically been a Bitcoin bear, and I've tried to convince him so many times to buy it. And I was like, dude, this is your chance. Like, literally buy Bitcoin now. Because he's like, all like, oh, I'm going to buy the S&P and the. He's like the intelligent, trying to be an intelligent investor or whatever. I'm like, dude, you're fucking 24 years old. Just plow your money into random bullshit with me. Dude makes like $300K a year. Anyways, he hit me up last night or 2 nights ago, and he's like, holy shit, Bitcoin is. He never bought Bitcoin. And then he hit me up 2 days ago. He's like, holy shit, Bitcoin. He never bought. And I was like, yeah, dumbass. It's up 2x since I texted you. Buy some now. He goes, I'm going to short it. And look how it's doing now. It's up another 10%. No, 6%. Dumbass. So that's the state of Bitcoin right now. People still literally don't care.
Really hope he listens to this podcast so he can hear that dumbass live.
Dumbass.
Yeah, interesting to see. We're ping-ponging around a bit, but I wanted to share this. I think this is a very interesting tweet by you, and I think it's something that is going to be interesting for the cycle. Basically, Clemente tweeted, this is a quote here, I have full conviction that meme coin streaming will become one of the most popular forms of entertainment in the next 12 to 24 months. I would love to hear your like thesis on this. And when you're saying most popular forms of entertainment, do you mean like all entertainment, or are you talking about just like crypto Twitter?
No, all forms. Like, I think the streaming of Memecoin Trenches and like actively trading is super interesting. Like right now, there's a big streaming culture on Twitch of like these guys literally doing nothing. They're just hanging out. There's a huge culture of like Zoomers right now and like the internet native generation that literally just sits on their phone all day. And instead of hanging out with their friends, they just hang out with streamers. It's kind of wild. They just watch these people do nothing all day and they're just hanging out talking. I've seen a good amount of people. Thread Guy he's having a lot of success with just like Twitch streaming right now. I think he had like 800 concurrent viewers last night, which is wild. And literally just trading meme coins. And I think the financialization of it, like the trading of meme coins together with people, if you can do it in a transparent and like not sketchy way, which is kind of what like these guys are doing right now, I think it's interesting. And there's ways to do it in dynamic ways that we haven't really seen before. And I think it's going to shift. Like meme coin trading, the trenches are more addicting than any other forms of entertainment. I've found myself at night, Ray, sometimes instead of being like, oh, I'm going to put on some Netflix, I'm like, dude, I'm just going to jump into Bodago's Discord and trade shit coins. I've had more fun doing that than like watching anything.
Yeah, I had a ton of fun on election night. This is definitely really fun to do, especially when you get like audience interaction. I kind of prefer getting the live audience feedback that we had, because we were like in a small 25-person video chat. We were on video, we were sharing our screens, and the audience can like talk and participate and like throw stuff out there or like assess our calls, which was super interesting. So it was like we're all doing it together. We're all winning together, we're losing together, we're making some of the same plays. A lot of fun. When we did that, we have to do that more often. We maybe like schedule like a day or two of the week where we just like bang that out at night.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. And like, it's just fun. Like Easy and I have ran Easy. We've done like 2 or 3 months of that show where we just trade meme coins, and it's really it's fun to do it. But doing it with people is also like super fun.
Way more enjoyable.
Dude, trading shit coins with other people is actually really fun. And I think we're under indexing, or at least I was under indexing for how much traction it's going to get in the future. Is in its current form of like the pump fund bullshit. I don't know. Maybe it'll evolve to something else. But dude, it's addicting. As far as like, you get to put a, $50 on this, $50 on that, and you watch the ticker go up and down in price, and kind of having that level of fun with it is really exciting. And then you have it feels really easy at first, but it's really hard. But you can do it with people. And yeah, like I don't trade shit coins because I think I'm going to necessarily make generational wealth. I trade shit coins in the trenches because it's fun, and it helps me kind of keep a fine. It helps me keep a pulse in the market.
Here's a fun one, Clemente. Just graduated another SMR. This one with 99% held by the top holder. So the new strategy is
that's a $410 million market cap, bro. What the fuck is going on?
I mean, this is bullish. What is this?
It's another SMR. 98.68% owned by the top wallet.
I'm a fan.
2,361 holders.
Dude, holy shit. I mean, this thing's getting volume.
33 minutes this has been active.
Wow. Should we check out some tickers right now? What are we looking
at? This is another thing that's like tough with like streaming meme coins. Like, you need a catalyst. We had a lot of fun on election night because there are a lot of like graduating tokens to watch, and a lot of people on the platform, and a lot of volume. So like, those are three things you need to like have a successful stream. And sometimes like there just isn't like the volume, there aren't the right tokens, and you could spend 30 minutes, an hour with like, you're just shooting yourself in the foot because there's just nothing to trade.
Yeah.
Like, you could click any of the buttons in the correct order and you're not making money. So I think like that's like more organic forms of streaming where you're just on for a longer period of time, or if you're just like casually in the Discord, make a lot more sense to me, I think, because if you're trying to like have like an entertaining stream for like an hour, it's tough to like make moves that are profitable as opposed to just like making moves that are entertaining. Tickers right now, though, these are the same tickers I've seen like all morning sitting here.
Yeah, it's been slow.
Yeah, there really isn't anything interesting. SMR 34 minutes ago, Hippo with hat. Like, this is just like garbage. And I think this is like my thesis of why we're gonna just see like garbage until, I mean, I don't even know what. Like, I don't think there's like a new next catalyst, like big event on the horizon, like inauguration maybe, but like anything between now and I don't know. It's going to have to be organic. It's going to have to be like the AI meme theme, like something similar to like the cute animal theme, a Pokemon theme. I don't know, but like something has to like come out and be that new meta for it to drive like interest to Pump Fun.
That SMR token, they sent 99% of the token to Dark Farm's wallet.
Oh, interesting. So that's Dark Farm's wallet,
supposedly.
So I wonder what happens in that scenario.
I hope he nukes it, one wicks it.
I do too.
That would be
how much liquidity has he got there? So if he nukes this, he gets $1.2 million.
Bro.
Well, with slippage, it'd probably be like 1.986.
Can you check the bubble maps?
He would right now. I'd get about 6,000 SOL, but you'd have to crank slippage.
Right, but wouldn't he just drain the entire liquidity pool if you saw 98% of the token into?
Yeah, so he'd probably end up getting rid of like $1 million.
This is a great bubble. This may be the best bubble map of all time.
That's insane.
You just drag everything else into this big bubble. And see, people are still buying.
Dude, well, I was considering buying. It's going to keep pumping. Like this thing is a.
Where's it going to? A bill?
$1 billion would be 100. So who said it? Because he owns 99% of the supply. If it runs to,
we're like a $5 million market cap right now.
A $10 million. Yeah. So it's kind of wild. So yeah, if someone owns 90, that's what I was saying about the Tuah token or whatever, or the other token. If someone owns 99% of the supply, you're looking at it. This is a low float, high FDV token. If I've ever seen one,
it's got a higher market cap than Blast.
Dude, Blast to buy.
No. Anything that's not pumping right now isn't a buy.
What if Pac-Man turns the fee switch on?
Anytime you say what if with something, I think you just need to like not buy it.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Like if they need that like certain thing to pump the token.
This chart is nasty, dude. Look at this, dog. Yikes.
Yeah. Like a fee switch pumps at 50%, maybe.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole.
Everyone
dude.
uses it as exit liquidity.
Literally not touching this.
174. So like the FTV of Blast is almost the same as the FTV of SMR at this point. Which
So
37 minutes ago. Like as a founder, are you just like look at this and being like, what the fuck is going on?
That supply is worth 7.3 thousand Solana.
Dude, Pac-Man literally, yeah, I don't know. No, it's fine. I mean,
That SMR just flipped bone, by the way.
we should have bought.
We started talking about it at what, 400?
Yeah, my gut was telling me, yo, this is a fucking buy, dude. What are you doing? Should I top blast this right now? I'm gonna top blast.
Yeah, do it.
Top blast.
And soul top blast live on air.
No, I'm just putting in one soul. All right, top blasted. Fuck me. All right, I'm in.
Right, I'll buy the dip.
I bought it 6 mil. So I bought a 6 mil basically. Because what you gotta think is this isn't a 10. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh yeah, caramba. No.
Ay, caramba.
Oh.
Concha tu madre, concha.
Is this on OX Fun yet?
I'm short. Massive short.
No, you are not.
No, I can't.
Dude,
It's not
I was actually about to get so pissed. Dude, what the fuck? Yo, Dark Farms, dude. What are you doing, bro?
Oh, we're coming back. Oh, down.
Dude, what am I 60 soul buy just came in. All right.
I love the Pico top buys every time.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, we would love to have you, Chris. We would love to have you jump in and trade. We'll pick a night. All
right. So I just literally bought the Pico top of this token. You can't make this shit up, folks. Oh my god.
How much are you down?
I mean, dude, not that much. $50. I'm down 24%. But like, if I had bought in with any size, I mean, dude, so this is
I'm in.
Yeah, you're in?
I'm in.
All right, I'm in for another soul. Fuck it.
I threw 5 soul in.
I'm in for 5.
That's what Hey, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Way to hold the line. Let's go. I love the attitude. Dude, this thing hits a bill. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
See if we see any other smart buyers on this. Clemente fingering his drink again, eating that W.
Yeah, that's why you call it DCA, bro. That's what Warren Buffett calls. So this has to hit $1 billion, right? Like,
all right, I'm out. Just made $100. We're rich.
Dude, easy, bro. You have no patience.
A 30 soul buy into this is wild.
So you know what the problem is? What I will say is like, so it makes these, the thing is like, it makes, because someone owns 99%, it makes these types of wallets seem like they don't own much, but they actually own a fuck ton. Like does this guy own 10% of the supply technically?
Boys, great sell by me.
Everything by 100. 26% of the supply for the top holder.
Oh, look at this. Look at this right here. Beautiful trade.
Oh my god.
Beautiful trade.
Is that the 1 second chart?
Of course. Yeah. I had to show in 30 seconds we made $100. Not bad.
Hold the line, folks. Dude, this is wild, dog. Anyways, I mean, this is innovation at its finest. This is the crypto innovation. Is this guy fucking selling right now? No. Dude, all right, mistakes were made, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I lost $100. We round tripped from when we first called it at the show. All right, well, this is just great entertainment. Me losing money. Wow, great segment of today's show. God damn it, dude.
So this is
I made money.
Rocco the Wombat.
Shut
Very
up,
interesting.
Rocco the Wombat.
It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back.
Literally not.
It's bouncing nicely off of its moving average.
So, Benny Flacco, this can't be good for mental health. You're not wrong. Yeah.
It's definitely not good.
Oh my God, dude. That's so funny. So Rocco at 110. What is this? A wombat?
Yeah, it looks like a wombat.
There was already a wombat yesterday is the problem. Dude, why is it showing his meat like that?
Is that bullish or bearish?
Bearish, dude.
Looking at a picture of Rocco the Wombat, and he's straight up. You can just see his junk in the picture.
Kind of looks like me.
He does kind of look like you, size and all.
Whoa, we're back. We're back. It's back of a 500 mil. We're pumping, boys. Yo, hey, shout out to everyone that faded. Shout out to everyone that faded.
Give me the gritty.
Are you still underwater?
Let me get the gritty.
Abro goes the fuck. Yo, hey,
are you
guys.
still underwater on it?
Yo, what? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Clemente bought here.
If you ever, hot tip for everyone: if you're ever grittying from Euphoria, that's the time to sell.
Yep, every time. So maybe you should
and when both people on the stream are doing the gritty, like
you're
pressing the sell like even faster.
So wild. Chris is asking, "Where's Neo Vision?" We cannot stream that yet. No, highly confidential.
Highly, extremely.
Couple days. Couple more days. Bodalgo is going to get early access.
Okay, dude, I'm feeling good about that buy. Anything else in the trenches we should be aware of?
Still underwater. What are you talking about? How does that feel good?
Dude, I was down 40%. Now I'm down 20. I'm down 10 now. I mean, dude, yeah, that's what I'm fucking talking about. Dark Farms, baby.
Yeah, sending screenshots also another top signal. See, like you got to go like one more level now because sometimes I'm like, oh, I want to send this nice P&L screenshot, but I'm not going to send it because that's the top signal. But then you got to be like, well, that's the top signal.
Exactly.
Oh, we're dumping.
Exactly. I'm feeling good about the buy. Dude, you're still down. Dude, Abro's talking a whole lot of shit today. I mean, sometimes these guys have attitude. Oh my God, that dump is disgusting.
So Clemente, you added something to the call sheet today. DeFi season coming.
Yeah. Easy. What do you think of DeFi season heating up? I've seen a bunch of old crypto Twitter heads saying that DeFi season is back. It's rotate out of meme coins, rotate into DeFi. I'm assuming because of the Trump election or the Trump presidency. Meaning less
probably, to be honest. Probably. Like, it's tough to really say one way or the other, you know? Like, when you look at it from a perspective of like what's actually going to happen with it, people feel more comfortable launching tickers. People are going to feel more comfortable about letting shit fly. Yeah, it'll be really interesting to see what actually happens.
Easy.
I don't know though. Like, we haven't got any good DeFi farms. Like, you need like a good ohm fork to really ignite the market.
Ohm forks. I think we're gonna see another like NFT Ponzi season too. Maybe
That
not
would be
NFT
sick.
in general, but NFT Ponzi where it's like you mint one, you earn rewards, you can like it's like just basically Wolf Game clone. I think we're due for some of that action coming around. Switching gears a bit outside of that. Tell me you signed up, Easy. Tell me you signed up.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Eve?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I saw your post about it. I was like, perfect.
Yeah, 2 days. Yeah, super easy to sign up. That's exciting. They're doing their second play test. We've talked about this on the show before, not a partner. We're just super excited about it. Kix was talking about it. Eve Frontier, basically the people who built Eve Online, one of like the most successful, longest lasting MMO space RPGs ever, is building a blockchain based game, Eve Frontier. Super excited about this. Played in the first play test. There's like a pretty like hefty NDA you signed, so I can't talk much about it, but super interesting. Would love to see this be successful and like really bring more eyes to blockchain, and it's like the perfect game for it. We talked about it before, like being able to like sell in game stuff and like trade it because like that's a big market in most games. But excited about this one. You gonna be playing this weekend at all, Easy?
Hopefully, I have to play in a Shatterpoint tournament on Saturday.
Shatterline?
Shatterline. And Clemente may be coming here this weekend. So, like, there's that. Like, yeah, there's a few things going on with that. It should be an active weekend for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna play a little bit. I was getting absolutely rocked. It's a hard game. Like Eve is a tough game, and it's not forgiving the new people, which is gonna be like a shock to crypto people who are like expecting some like easy like farm game. It's like a legit game that's difficult outside of like the crypto pieces. So definitely one that requires a bit of brain space and strategy. But cool stuff. I played the last one, enjoyed it, got wrecked, had some fun. But excited for that.
Do you get to keep all your assets that you make during these betas?
I don't think so, but I'm not positive. I don't even know if I can answer the question, to be honest. Okay. Like it's like a tight NDA that they have. I don't even know if I probably violated it by just like talking about it already. But we'll see. Yeah, so that's an interesting quick hitter I had. I wanted just to bring up because we've talked about that on the show. I believe it's only on PC. Some kid. You can check out their site. I'll see if I can find it. They're at Eve_Frontier on Twitter, EVE_Frontier. So they have their links there, so you can check it out. But ton of fun, blockchain based game. Love to see it. I'm trying to figure out. We've covered pretty much everything.
Can I quickly ask a question?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do I sell or not?
Where are we at right now? Let me bring it up.
What the fuck, dude?
340.
What the fuck?
I made money. I'm quite happy.
Easy, shut up, dude. God damn it, bro. It's
I made money.
Holy shit, dude. What the fuck
me personally,
is going on, dude?
If that was me,
oh my god.
If that was me, I would not let the chart do that to me. Personally. The level of on-chain terrorism that you're seeing, Clemente, is just unacceptable.
What the fuck? Flip this shit, dog. I'm buying here. Buying back.
You get average in, Clemente?
I'm in for another soul. Yeah, dude. I fucking bought the dip. You're being farmed. Stay poor, you dumb C word.
Yeah, I'm out. That's
Disbelief is so good.
Bro, oh my god. I'm such an idiot, dude. I'm just lighting money on fire.
I mean, you top blasted a $660 million market cap ticker where one person owns 99% of the supply. And the second biggest holder, if you're just factoring that in, owns 27% of the supply.
Bro.
Did you sell?
No, I'm fucking sold the thing, dude. It's pumping a little bit now.
average down.
What does that even mean?
Buy more.
DCA, dog? Fuck that, dude. Because I actually think this thing can run. No, this is a bullish pullback.
How much soul you got on that wallet? 8 soul? Dude, throw 8 soul in it. Get that average down.
Shut up, dude.
Be a man. Sack up.
Instead of the angel devil, he's got 2 devils on his shoulder right now. Throw more in. Buy more.
Right,
Buy
dude,
more. We got an entry.
Raph, this is not. What the fuck, Raph? Raph saying, like, that's just, dude, you can't kick a man while he's down. Clemente, you need to get laid, man. I'm praying for you. I mean, that's just too far. That's just too far, dude.
Is he talking about like the pent up anger for this, or just the 2 fingers deep?
Hey, Raph. Oh, I need to get laid, buddy. How about you get laid on this, buddy? Boom. That's a pump right there. Hey, what? That's another green candle. Boom, right there.
You're down 50%.
Oh, what? 425? Kaboom. Hey, Raph. Hey, hotshot. Hey, hotshot. Kaboom. All right.
You're down 50%.
No, I'm down 30%, dude. Hey, Murad. Hey, Kirkland signature Murad Sajake. How much did I lose today?
Kirkland
I haven't lost any money yet because I haven't sold. Dumbass. Sorry, Murad. Holy shit, dude. I'm losing years off of this shit. Oh my god.
I'm losing years.
Oh my god. LDAC saying this is family friendly, I would say. Oh my god! Could you imagine someone's watching this with their toddler? They're getting ready for school or something.
What was in that smoothie?
God, dude, I do a little fruit action. All right.
Oh, we know that.
Murad just goes, wow. All right, Ray, we need to wrap.
All
Yeah,
right,
I gotta hop
everybody. It's been another great episode of the show. If you want to listen, you can check us on all major podcast platforms, Apple, Spotify. You can catch us on YouTube. Watch our faces, watch our trades in real time. Look at the graph as Clemente top blast it. Awesome stuff to see there. Thank you all for listening and have a great Thursday. Catch you again tomorrow.